Hello everybody, how you doing out there, Facebook people, my Facebook entrepreneurs? Today is a good day. I am getting ready to share something fabulous with you, so let me get ready. And when you come in, I gotta take the scarf off. It is raining outside. Had to go from one area to the next and walk out there. I was out there in the rain. So I'm excited. I got something great I want to share with you. But when you come in, do this while I'm preparing myself, while I'm getting ready to introduce something great with you. I think I'm just going to keep my coat on. So, how are you doing? Hope you're having a fabulous day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gigi. I am with Success with Gigi.com. And who am I? What do I do? Let me tell you, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm in the lobby, so you're going to hear people talking. So never mind that. Just listen to this, what I'm about to share with you. If you're an online marketer, if you have an online presence, if you have a business and you're having some challenges in your business, growing your business, getting the leads, knowing who your audience is, how to attract your audience and get prospects, you're going to love what I'm going to share with you today. So like I mentioned, come in, introduce yourself, tell me who you are so I can acknowledge you and tell you how I appreciate you. I really do. Go ahead and also invite people to this video, okay? Invite people, share this, tag a friend, and especially someone who is interested in growing their business. So what I do is I have the privilege and pleasure as a social media marketing strategist. That's who I am. That's what I do. And I help people who have an online business grow their business by providing them marketing strategies, online step-by-step marketing blueprints and trainings that can help you as an online marketer, internet marketer. You have a home business, grow your business, okay? Help you grow your business. And what I'm going to do is, if you stick around, I have a bonus, a free bonus for you that I'm going to put in the comments below that you can get your hands on. That is definitely going to give you a strategy, marketing strategy on what you could do to grow your business on Facebook. A lot of people, they're on Facebook. They have a personal profile, and if you have a business, I highly recommend that you get a Facebook fan page, which is considered a Facebook business page, okay? So in this video, in this training, I'm going to share 4 simple steps to get prospects attracted to you on Facebook. And believe it or not, getting those prospects is easier than you think. You don't have to spend a dime. Now, in saying that you don't have to spend a dime, because a lot of entrepreneurs out there, you're trying to do everything free. Now, I understand if you don't have a lot of money and you're working with a shoestring budget, don't let not investing in yourself be an issue. So as an entrepreneur, if you want to take your business to that next level, consider or always think about investing in yourself. There is a difference in mindset when it comes to spending money and investing money. Spending money, you spend it and it's out there and it doesn't come back, right? That money is gone. Investing money, you're investing money because you are looking for a rate on return from your efforts and from your product and your service, okay? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So you have to put in that sweat equity and you have to put in that cash flow, okay? So let's go to number 1. To attract prospects to you, the number 1 thing is you want to know yourself. Who are you? Who are you? And I'm going to give you some things you want to keep in mind, okay? These are the things that you want to keep in mind when I say you want to know yourself, okay? 1, what is your vision? You have to know your vision, because that is going to come across in your social media platforms on Facebook, right? And the next thing you want to know, what message do you want to relay to your audience, okay? What message do you want to relay to them that will attract them, give them something of value, something that you know that they can use in their life, okay? So you want to welcome. So you want to make sure that you relate that to your audience, okay? And so what another thing is, what are your skills? Do you have any skills? Ask yourself, what skills do I need to get in order to grow my audience? I mean, do you have a Facebook? Do you have an email list? How you doing? Welcome. Do you have an email list? Now, you may want to write this down. If you don't have an email list, think about getting the skills on how to create an email list or grow your network, okay? And the next thing you want to do is, what are you talented at? What are you talented at? What comes easy for you, where you don't have to get training, you don't have to get the skills to do it because you're good at it? Are you a good speaker? Are you a good writer? Are you good copywriting? Are you good at that? Thank you, sweetheart, for the hearts. And the next thing is, what will you talk about endlessly and don't get tired of talking about? So these things, knowing yourself, the reason you want to know yourself is because 9 times out of 10, guess what? We attract people just like us. And then we're going to speak the language that they speak. Now, number 2, you want to know your audience. Now, here's some things you want to think about when it comes to knowing your audience, okay? When you know who you are, you're speaking to the person because, like I said, they're just like you, okay? You're going to speak their language. And other things, you want to know your audience. You want to know their struggles. What are they struggling with? What are their pains? What are their desires? What are their hopes? So that your product, your service could speak to their pain. See, what you're a person that's going to come up with a solution to their problems. If you're the go-to person that could come up with a solution to their problems, guess what? You're going to be their expert, and they're going to come to you again and again and again. Okay? And so number 3 is find and follow people that's in your niche. Find and follow people that are in your niche, people who have a big audience. Go to their Facebook. If they have a huge following, what you want to do is you want to find a post that they did that have a lot of likes on it. Then you want to like that post, and then you want to comment on that post. Now, what this does is you're not spamming anybody. You're not trying to sell somebody on your business or your product or your service. What you're doing is, in a subtle way, you're introducing yourself, and guess what? People like to read other people's comments. And then sometimes people will click on other people's, what you commented on that post. Now, if this person has a post that has a lot of likes on it, then you're probably getting a few people curious about, because this is what I do. I'm going to tell you, sometimes when I go to other people's Facebook fan page that's in my niche, I read other people's comments. And then I kind of like click on their name and find out what their fan page is about, what they're about, just out of curiosity, because we're curious people, right? And so the next thing you want to do is you want to follow that person. You want to follow them, but you don't want to befriend them. You don't want to ask them to become a friend. You want to follow them. And here, why? Because like I mentioned, we're curious people. When people follow me, guess what? I go to see who that person is. Now, because we're curious people, you follow them, they're going to go to your Facebook page, your Facebook business page, and they're going to say, well, who is this person? Who is, I'm going to see if I can, Hina? I don't know how to say your name, but I hope I'm saying it right. Who is this person? And I'm going to go check out their page. Now, because people are doing this, this is a good strategy that you definitely want to do. And you want to do it on a regular basis, okay? So this is a free method. When they're following you, you want to make sure that your page looks nice, okay? So as an internet marketer or online business or have your home business, when you on your fan page, you want to make sure that you have a picture of yourself, okay, of yourself, not a icon, not a product, or a picture with you and someone else, because that would confuse a person. They're going to wonder who is who in that picture. But you want to have a picture of yourself, a nice smiling picture, a friendly picture, a picture that is inviting. And then on your cover page, you want your cover page to tell a story about who you are and what you offer. Okay, so you want your cover page to tell a story, and you definitely want to have a nice picture there also. And last but not least, you want to in your post, when you're posting on a regular basis, daily, hopefully you're posting daily, you want to mix it up a little bit. You don't want it to always be about business, because good business is kind of spammy, join my business, buy my product all the time. Because your business post is going to tell a story. Remember, you want people to get to know you, because usually, like I mentioned earlier, people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. Your post is going to be like a storyline about who you are. So share some lifestyle posts, share some your favorite quotes, and every now and then sprinkle your business in there, okay? So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got something out of it, and go ahead, take action, utilize those steps on a regular basis. One of the things that gets us and helps us move forward is taking action. We can't do anything. Learning is good, but if we don't use that what we learned, move forward and take action, we get nothing done. And being consistent, okay? So here's the bonus thing that I have for you. I created a mini training showing you, a mini video training showing you how to brand yourself on Facebook. I'm going to put the link below in the comments, so go ahead, get that link and make it yours, and utilize the trainings that I put in that, how to brand yourself on Facebook. Well, on that note, I wish you great success. Thank you for coming here. Feel free to share this video with your friends or with your team, and also come back on Monday. I'm here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around this time, around noontime, a little afternoon, so like about 12:15, I come and I do a video, right? And so I want to be able to either encourage, motivate, or inform you so that you could be the best entrepreneur that you could be in your business. Well, on that note, I wish you great success, abundance, and wealth. You have a great day, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye.